Imagine this. You wake up and your phone has no signal. The power's out. No internet, no news, no GPS. Then you look up and the sky is glowing red. What just happened? A super solar flare, the biggest eruption from the sun in recorded history, just hit Earth. And civilization as we know it might be over. The sun constantly releases solar flares, bursts of energy, heat, and radiation. Most of them are harmless, but once in a while, the sun lets loose a monster. A coronal mass ejection, CME. Billions of tons of charged particles hurtling through space. If Earth is in the path, those particles slam into our magnetosphere, triggering powerful geomagnetic storms. The last major one happened in 1859, called the Carrington event. Back then, it set telegraph poles on fire and shocked operators with electrical surges. And that was before electricity ruled the world. Now imagine that same kind of solar flare hitting Earth today. Power grids would fail instantly. Satellites would fry in orbit. Airplanes would be blinded mid-flight. Internet, gone. GPS, gone. Even cash machines and credit cards would stop working. Modern society relies on electricity and data, and both would vanish in seconds. Within hours, the world would spiral into chaos. Hospitals lose power. Water systems shut down. Food supply chains freeze. No phones, no fuel, no emergency response. Cities plunge into darkness and panic. Billions would be offline and isolated, with no idea what's going on. And the scariest part? You can't stop a solar flare. NASA says the chance of a Carrington-level event happening again is about 12% per decade. That's not if, that's when. In 2012, a massive solar flare narrowly missed Earth by just 9 days. If it had hit us, experts say the damage would have cost over $2 trillion in the first year alone. So, are we ready? The short answer, no. While space agencies monitor the sun, we still don't have a reliable way to shield power grids or protect satellites. Some countries have started hardening infrastructure, but most of the world remains vulnerable. All it takes is one bad flare, and we'd be sent back to the 1800s in under a minute. So, what if a super solar flare hit Earth? It wouldn't explode cities or melt buildings, but it would shut down the systems that keep us alive. Electricity, communication, order, all gone. And the scariest part is, the sun doesn't care if we're ready. It's just a matter of time.